Hello everyone, my name is Envis and I'm a lawyer from Albania. Well, I've been using the Express Entry course for a while and it was really helpful for me. The first reason why I wanted to enroll to this course was that after I got my invitation to apply for permanent residence, I had a lot of doubts about the way how should I fill the applications. For example, one of the doubts was that I didn't know if I had to include all my work experience in the work experience section or if I needed to include everything in my work experience in the personal activity sections and stuff like this. So what I did was to contact Mark and to buy and enroll the video for Express Entry and also to enroll to this course. Immediately I was clarified and it was really easy to fill up the application for permanent residence. But what I found more helpful here was also the videos for the documents which I needed to upload in order to submit my EAPR in a good manner. And I think it was really helpful for me to, yeah, to let's say to, to put every document in order and to have a successful EAPR application. Nowadays, I'm still waiting for my response from immigration authorities in Canada, and I really hope it would be a positive response. But uh, let's say I would like to thank Mark a lot for this video, for the course he has provided to us, because it's really helpful not only to clarify all your thoughts and to clarify all your doubts, but also to put all the documents in a good manner in order not to have delays in the future. I would suggest to everyone who is under the application process to buy this video because of course it's really helpful, and compared to a consultation with a lawyer, it's a real bargain as it is really expensive. What is more, it also makes you really independent, and it also enables you to judge a lot of things about your personal application, which in somehow a lawyer or an immigration consultant cannot do it better than you. So this application is a real treasure and you need to have it if you need to have a successful application. Thanks a lot.